Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to disable messages on iPad. Like if you want to stop receiving messages that were forwarded from your iPhone, then you will have to watch this video till the end, guys. So first of all, you have to open your settings, and in your setting, guys, you have to tap on your name, and from here you will see this cloud option over here. Tap on it, iCloud, and then from here you will see this message option. Just tap on it and disable this option, and when you disable it will ask you to download messages, so you can tap on it to do this to disable messages on your iPad, so you won't get the messages from your iPhone anymore, guys. So yeah, repeat on the iPhone by turning off the text messages forwarding. So yeah, that's a bye from nobody, guys. Till then, bye bye.